Yo, what's up? I got a big announcement.
We've released our Leah Scholarship Program.
Now, if you're looking to build a 6 or even 7-figure land flipping business this year, listen up. This is super exciting. And down below, you'll see a link where you can go and actually apply for the scholarship, but don't do that yet. Sit down. Let's get comfortable together. So over the last few months, we've coached over 100 land investors, many of them that have gone on to quit their jobs, hit 6 figures. We've had folks even make 6 figures in their first deal. I've unearthed some really interesting findings. The first point that I've unearthed is that there is a huge cohort of could-be, would-be land investors that are not where they could be because they do not have the means for education. I think that's a dang shame. And here's the thing. When I first got started in this business in 2019, I started with $7,000. At that time, I could not have afforded the Leah program or many other programs. And I didn't feel like there was a way for me to get plugged into a community. And so I went on the path by myself. And if you are someone that has that X factor, right, you are going to get it done no matter what. I do believe that you will accomplish the goals that you have set forth in the land business. But here's the trouble. It'll take you infinitely longer and it'll be a whole lot more painful. And so for this scholarship, we are looking for people that have that X factor, but they want to compress their timelines. They want to compound their results to get to where they know they can be faster. So that was the first point. There is this audience that needs serving, and we're here to serve them. So let's talk about the second point. What I've seen for most education programs and even most land investing education programs is the incentives are misaligned, right? When we first created the Leah program, we said we need to have 100% money back guarantee for a group coaching program. That's standard, right? That's just how the game should be played. If you don't get the results, you have the right to say, hey, I need a refund. But we want to take it a step further. So the way we are building out this scholarship is that we actually partner with you on your first 3 deals. So if you win, we win. If you don't win, we don't win. Right? This is aligning the incentives like they've never been aligned before. And what this allows you to do is get access to our 12-month Leah group coaching program, which is a 5-figure program at pennies on the dollar. And this aligns the incentives. And so we are working together to assure that you get to the outcome that you want to get to because we also want to get to that outcome. But there's a few different kickers. Let's address them. Look, I'm sure you're an amazing person, right? But let me address the elephant in the room. Number 1, we are only accepting 10 folks every single month. Starting this month, 10 folks can join via the scholarship. Again, you can do that down below. So you might be saying, but there's going to be way more than 10 people that join. What are the credentials? What are you guys looking for to admit someone into the scholarship? So here's the breakdown. Here's the lowdown. First off, you got to have that X factor. Like I mentioned before, I want people that are driven, that are motivated, that are going to figure this out with or without our help, but they want to compress time. They want to have it happen faster and realize their abilities sooner rather than later. The next thing is we need to have rapport. There needs to be trust. There needs to be a mutual appreciation for one another, because the truth is you and I and the rest of the Leah coaches, we are all going to be working together intimately, right? The fact that we're actually working through deals with you is a very intimate relationship. There's going to be bumps, there's going to be bruises, there's going to be ups, there's going to be downs. We need to ensure that we work well together, that we can communicate. There's a respect, there's a trust, there's an admiration. So those are the 2 main categories that we're looking for. Here's one additional bonus, right? I'm going to give you a little sneaky tip that I haven't given anyone. If you have already started your land investing journey, if I can see that you've already started taking action, if you've already put one foot in front of the other, even if it's at the wrong direction, if you are making progress in one way or another and you're not just sitting on the sidelines, to me, ding, 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 that is a clear winner. That is someone who's got that X factor. And so if you can show that, hey, I've already started to build momentum. I don't know how to get to where I want to go, but I'm actually taking steps to get in some direction. Hopefully it's the right direction.
So if you're like, dang, this sounds exactly like me. This is me. Sumner's talking about me. Then what I want you to do is go down below. You'll see a link. Go click on the link. Go submit your form. Watch the video if you have a few minutes. But get your form submitted. What's going to happen next once you submit that form is we're going to get the intake form. We'll go through and review it. If everything checks out, we'll pass it off. You'll schedule a call either with myself or with Justin. We'll go through that initial consult. It's about a 15 to 20 minute call. We just want to get a sense of where you're at and where you're looking to go. Then myself, the rest of the Leah coaches, and Justin will all sit down, hash out what was discussed on the call, get a sense in terms of A, do we think we can help you? And B, do we think you're a good fit for the program? And if the answer is yes to both of those, you'll get the beautiful email that says, congratulations, you've been admitted. Now I'm telling you, this is almost as exciting as getting accepted into Harvard. In fact, our acceptance rates will probably be lower than Harvard. That's totally a joke.
Now, I know there's a lot of new people on this channel, and for the newbies, let me just reiterate what we actually do here. So head on over to landinvestor.co if you need to learn more about what we do. We've got the fastest growing land investing community in the world. Someone fact check me on that, but I do think it's true. Our community is unlike anything else. And inside our Leah Group Coaching Program, which is our flagship program, you get access to our Leah course. This teaches you everything from A to Z on how to build a 6 and 7 figure land investing business. We show you how to select markets, how to price deals, how to get your deals funded. We show you who to hire, where to find them, how to retain them, how to build the systems, how to build a team. We don't just teach you the skills of land investing, we teach you how to build a land investing business. And that is why we have so many folks that go full-time in 6 months, 12 months, folks that make hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars in their first year. That is because we've reverse engineered how to build a successful land investing business. Now, outside of the course, we meet on Mondays, we meet on Wednesdays, and we also have our bi-weekly sales training call. In fact, we give you leads inside those sales training calls. We give you access to getting your deals funded. We give you all the tools discounted. It's literally the best thing ever. I need to take a deep breath. Oh, but seriously, if you're unfamiliar, head on over to landinvestor.co/courses or go find us in Discord, get a sense of what our community is like. It's incredible. Now, if you feel like you are the one, you're the chosen one, you're one of 10, go submit down below. Here's the thing, even if you don't get admitted this month, you can always submit again next month. We'll be going through, and if we see consistency, the fact that you keep on showing up, it's a really, really positive sign. Anyways, much love. Looking forward to seeing you guys inside the program.